Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to be working on a custom canvas, 8x10. Materials you're going to need for this project: adhesive permanent vinyl, a canvas, black acrylic paint, paintbrush, and that's really it. Oh, and Mod Podge. Let's just go ahead and get right into it. Catch you on the next slide. Alright, so now that we got our design, it's going to be 10 by 8.7. The background, like the back two squares, it's just my canvas, so I have an idea of how it's going to look. And then this is what happens if you don't weld it. When you don't weld it, it'll be cut out in different pieces. See how it cuts all loose and it's just not together? But now when you weld it, so I'm going to take off the background because I don't need it, it's just my canvas. So now when you weld it, it's all one piece and it'll cut out in one piece, so you won't have to make sure it's straight, and just like that. Now you can cut it. Alright, so now that we took our canvas off of our frame, we're going to paint it. I decided to start with blue. I did not like how it looked, and I'll just keep showing you guys as we go. This is the paint I've been using. Some acrylic paint. Now that we have it painted, let's just let it dry. We got a couple spots still drying up. Alright, now that we got our design ready to cut out, this is our black permanent vinyl. This is what I am using right now. Permanent vinyl adhesive. Slide it right in. Cut. There we go. Alright, now we're going to start weeding. I like to leave it on the cutting mat just to keep it sticky so I don't have to use both hands. Weed it out now. Now I can go ahead and put contact paper over it so we can transfer it to our canvas very neatly. Alright, so now let's apply our contact paper. Now what you want to get is one of these little squeegee things, whatever you call it, and get all the air bubbles out. Alright, now that we did that, grab your canvas. I like to do it on the less white side. I think it looks a little nicer than this side, personally. Now you want to use this again, get all the air bubbles out. And then we got our Mod Podge. finished. Let's just let it sit and dry. And just like that, we now have a custom frame and our design we cut out. How I put it back on, I just use black Gorilla tape. Only for now. I just don't have any of the clips that I usually use.